Thousands of stars you see when you look up at the night sky. Every one of them living in between two collapses. An initial collapse of a dark stellar gas cloud that formed the star, and a final collapse of a luminous star on the way to its ultimate fate.
Oh my god. Turn your friggin', there goes, power just blew out. Transformer.
Holy crap!
Oh my god, there's another surge.
Look at the eye, that's wild.
I told you this was like a freaking hurricane.
Okay. I told you it was.
A tornado struck an Oregon beach town as strong winds and heavy rain walloped the Pacific Northwest, leaving thousands without power as utility crews prepare for what's expected to be an even rougher storm on Saturday. The National Weather Service issued tornado warnings Friday morning for southwest Washington and northwest Oregon. A tornado was reported on the northern Oregon coast. Tillamook County Sheriff Andy Long said it touched down in the city of Manzanita. There were no reports of injuries, but there have been several calls about damage. The heavy rain created dangerous conditions for the morning commute in the northwest as drivers tried to see out of rain-pounded windshields and navigate through standing water on the roads. Several school districts across the region delayed start times because of the weather.
Right there.
Oh my gosh!
You need to be taking video.
I hear it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
We gotta get in the house. Get in the house.
It's going away from us.
I know.
It's okay. That's a tornado. There's debris.
I know. But
It's going away from us. It's okay.
Oh my god. Turn your friggin', there goes, power just blew out. Transformer.
holy crap!
Oh my god, there's another surge.
Look at the eye, that's wild.
I told you this was like a freaking hurricane.